revision. We've already done the grammar revision. We've also finished the revision for both the prose lessons, that is A Crow in the House and Think Before You Speak. Now in this today's video lesson, we'll be doing the revision of a poem, The Brook. Alright? As you can see, I've already written the questions for you. You can make a note of those questions and write down the answers as we discuss them. Let me show you from where till where we are going to follow consider the poem for looking out for answers. We consider page number 69 right from here. I went about in and out from here till the end. For men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. That is entirely the third and the fourth stanza will be considered for this revision comprehension. So let's get started. The first question is, what all is seen sailing in the waters of the brook? Here, the answer is in the first stanza itself. I went about in and out with here a blossom sailing. A blossom means a flower. And here and there a lusty trout, and here and there a grayling. So, three things we need to mention. One is about the blossoms, the next is the lusty trout, and the third one is the grayling. So, let's write the answer. Let's begin. Blossoms, lusty trout, and a grayling is seen sailing in the waters of the brook. Alright, let's move to the next question. What does one find upon the brook as it travels? The answer is here in the second stanza. And here and there a foamy flake upon me as I travel. So the answer here is a foamy flake. Let's write it down. We find a foamy flake upon the brook as it travels. Next question. What is the rhyme scheme of the stanzas mentioned? Throughout the poem, the common rhyme scheme that is followed is ABAB. Let's check out how. In this stanza, the rhyming words are out, trout, sailing, grayling. So it is A, B, B. Similarly, flake, break, travel, gravel. Again, A, B, B. Okay. Similarly, as we go further, flow, go, river, ever. So it is A, B, because flow rhymes with go, river rhymes with ever. So again it is A, B. Next, glance, dance, shallows, swallows. So again here it is A, B. I murmur under the moon. So here in this stanza it is stars, bars, wildernesses, cresses. Again here it is A, B. The same follows for the last stanza also A, B. So all throughout the stanzas, the common rhyme scheme that is followed for the poem is A, B. Let's write it down. The rhyme scheme of the stanzas mentioned is AB, AB. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Which one word from the poem, given word from the poem, which means small rounded stones? Here, above the golden gravel. Now here gravel means small rounded stones. Let's write it down. Small rounded stones means gravels. Okay. Let's move to the next question. I went about, in and out. Identify the figure of speech. Now here, in and out are opposite words which have occurred in the same line. That is why this figure of speech is antithesis. Antithesis is a figure of speech which has the occurrence of two opposite words mentioned in that same line. Okay? I have already taught you this topic of antithesis. Even in the next line, if you see, even here, and here and there, here and there, here, there, opposite words. Again, this is also antithesis. Alright? Let's move to the last question. Describe the fourth and the fifth stanza in your own words. Here, if we consider this particular poem for our comprehension, this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So we are going to describe these two stanzas in our own words. Let's get started. Before we start, we'll just read out the lines. I slip, I slide, I glue my glance among my skimming swallows. I make the knitted sunbeam dance against my shanty shallows. I murmur under moon and stars in brambly wilderness. I linger by my shingly bars, I loiter round my cresses. Let's write down the meaning of these lines in our own words. The brook slips and slides and moves in dark places while the swallows skim on its surface. It makes the sunbeam dance against the shallow sands below it. It murmurs under the moon and stars as it passes through bushes and uncultivated land. It moves slowly by the obstacles caused by rounded pebbles as it moves by the plants surrounded on its banks. Okay, so we have covered up all of the points that are mentioned in the last 4th and the 5th stanza. We've spoken about it moving into dark places. We have spoken about the skimming swallows. We have spoken about the sunbeam. We have also mentioned about the moons and stars and the shingly bars. So overall here we have covered both the points that are mentioned in both 4th and the 5th stanza. So here children, we have completed English revision number 4, which was based on the poem The Brook. Alright, please make a note of all these answers on a file sheet paper. See you soon in the next video lesson. Best wishes for your evaluation. God bless you. Thank you.